This is Mrs. O'Neill for AP Chemistry, Chapter 17, Section 7, Qualitative Analysis for Metallic Elements. In this section, you will explain how principles, again, of solubility and complex equilibria can be used to identify ions in solution. So pause, fill in the blanks, play to hear my words. Boy, you've heard that enough now, huh? So there is a difference between qualitative and quantitative. Shouldn't even need to have read this to know. Qualitative is just what ions are present, and quantitative would be how much of that ion is present in that solution. So that should make sense. Qualitative versus quantitative. So you would actually just follow a series of steps. You do not have to memorize these. That's why I didn't even make you read anything. And in your book, there's a nice flow chart, and they would either have to give you this flow chart and give you questions about it. In sometimes analytical chemistry, we've actually taken like a solution that has all kinds of stuff in it, and so we would add something like HCl, and if we would see some precipitates, those would be our possible precipitates, and then we'd have some remaining solution, and we'd have to do more to it, see what happens. There's that H2S again, and it would follow through. And just so you know, decanting just means taking your solution, as much of that top solution as possible, and keeping your precipitate or your solid in solution. So you don't really filter it out. You would call what's called decanting in order to get the solution out and the solids left over. So they would either give you a flow chart, something similar to this, or give you some information and say, I reacted this, and this is what I got, and so you can maybe identify what would be in that original solution. Okay, see you in class.